take a look at team power, Neil.
The starters for each squad were determined by a fan online voting. Colinares, Torres, Calado, and Marmeto.
This should be an interesting thing. I wasn't able to tackle this with you at the start. Elena Frites pa, pero we are underway. And the first serve, Ramirez receiving. Hello, first block. Louis sends it high. Villado sets. Garcia flies. Boy, first exchange. Mabigat na kagad. Hindi bumabagsak ang bola. Hinulog. Sumisigaw na mga tao. Jude Garcia's block.
Unang rally pa lang yun, ha? Sila maglalaro.
Panay ang kantsaw ko sa mga yan, doon sa mga meals at saka sa mga meet and greet. Sabi ko, bilisan nyo, gusto ko na umuwi. Oy, Alexis Tinsay.
Because it's their first time. But he gets to do it here in Canton as a proud Ilocano. Sabi nga niya, it's time to showcase his MVP form. Pero higit sa lahat, gusto niya ma-enjoy yung moment kasi stuck nga yung lineup nila where they get to be prime representatives of men's volleyball. Now for Team Passion, all out agad ng mindset si Mark Calado. Fresh off sa Voges finals run, dala niya yung aggressive mentality. But of course, with a more joyful all-star energy.
Correct on that. Too many of them, we couldn't include them in the introductions. Oh, what a set on the quick. That will work for Josaphat.
Ayan talaga advantage ng team nila. Most of their starters are from the...
Ang national team player natin yan si Louis, and it's close to the net. Imperial adjusts. Oh! Calado knocks it in. He has 4.
More than the experience dito sa Condon, I think for the players, they really enjoyed their time with...
Of course, Condon has been host to a number of great sporting events. Even the PBA has played here already. In the meantime, Calados rejected. A set by Villados. Back row strike. Kept in play very nicely that time. They will toss it over, however. Reverse. Yo!
Yan ang pagkakamali nyo. Sabi ni Kim Malabunga, give them a free ball. Automatic, fast play. From the blue team, Team Power, La Noche and CNC lang are now in.
Let's see if... great reception. Umandal! As a center ba, pagka magandang ding na ganun, gusto mo ibigay doon sa nag-ding. Depende sa play, of course. Ano? Tawa ng tawa. Yeah, total naman fun game eh, no? Ayan, tingnan natin. Nako! They want to score! It's still in play. It's kept alive. De La Noche digs it over. A chance to set. Villados comes out. Oh, yes, sir. 2 points.
For Team Power.
Sabi siguro ni Coach Taibundit, can we change places, Sydney? Because my players aren't with you. In the meantime, this serve. Down the middle it goes. Whoa! Neatly done. Josaphat drilling it into the middle. Nga pala, set point na yung Power.
6 set points for Team Power.
Nicely done. Nako, pero buhay pa, oh. Ramirez punches it. And we are done with the first set. And sino bang umiscore?
Now you'll see a different starting unit for both teams. It's time for the reserve to play in this all-star game until the 8th point. Tsaka pwede magpalit ng tao si Coach Sidney and Coach Tai.
Usually kasi siya ang nag-hype sa team niya pero ngayon mas excited daw siya. I-hype yung mga fans na manonood. Mission accomplished naman siya. Since siguro yung fans since first point. Excited din siya makalaro bilang usual spikers. Let's see kung makakabawi naman ang opposite side of the court.
Alam mo, miss kita as courtside reporter, Alexis Tinsay.
Nakapanibago.
Nakapanibago kasi anchor ka na eh. Miss ko yung mga report mo eh. Depends on the speed of your car and the attitude of your driver. In the meantime, silang sets. Almendras all dressed up with nowhere to go.
Yung mga pinakamasarap na feeling, kill blocks. When you ask a player, ano ba yung pinakamaganda? But blocking talaga is the best feeling in the world.
In the meantime, Glorioso tried something at the net. He is foiled, and now it is a 3-point lead. And we have the NU veteran, Nico Almendras, just above the net. Oh, well-run play. Inside, delivering of the first great pass by Sumagaysay. Watch this.
OG King Crunch. Premier point. Sharon Requenton will now serve for Team Power.
Pinaiiksian yung laro, ano ha? Huligan! Marasigan and company gain 2 points off that. Nako, alanganin. Nako si Anima. Requenton chases it down. Reverse. That's blocked but kept in play. Here's the setup job. Marasigan. Waza. Almendras reaches for it. Schnake will toss it high into the air again. Here comes the set. Adiman! Oh, lalim. Reverse set. Oh, butas.
Wow.
Nicely done. Calado now with 8.
I know that people want to enjoy. I mean, the players want to enjoy.
Power, actually. They seem to have better coordination. Oh, but Mark Calado is a beast. 9 points.
Naninigurado na si Imperial. We need more points.
Yeah. Calado serve in play. Trillados. Hey, Anima making something happen here. And Savoj is known for that. And when they got more material, they were able to do so many more things. In the meantime, this is goodbye to the second set. And the whole point, if you're just joining us, you can call for it. If you score on it, you get 2 points. But if you don't, the other side gets the 2 points. The serve received by Ramirez. The setup job in the corner. Compton. Bakit ikaw ang pinag-iinitan niya?
Test your skills with your favorite volleyball stars. That's just the first of the 3. I think we
Yes.
have 3 side events like that.
It taps the net, rather. Back row. Oh, yes, sir!
Pag ganyan-ganyan lang si Noel, 5 sets, 5 sets. But
The serve, that's great, but don't. Ooh, look at that. Umandal handling the heat and will now dig it over. Casanya. Malabunga the fake there. Umandal. That is inside, though.
nagulat pa si Jem Ronquillo. He thought that he was about to sail out.
Ooh, Umandal receiving. Ah, one-handed set. Colinares knocking it in.
Not on my watch, says Popoy Colinares.
Ronquillo serve. The dump over. De La Noche with the delivery. Sige. Andito na rin lang tayo eh. 20-80. No, but it's something that might be a new thing in the rules in the future. 2 points away ang kupunan ng Passion from stretching this into a possible 4th. Unless these guys decide otherwise.
Si Nikki EJ Casanya, ikaw na bahala kahit anong gusto mo. Basta dumepensa tayo. Because wala pa silang solusyon for Mark Calado.
Elevated. Requenton denied. Guerrero gets to it. Requenton shoots and gets the point.
Pagdating sa 4th set.
Almendras blasts away. Marasigan and company bungle it, but keep it in play. The setup job, rear attack will work, and Snackenag is sit down. We are going 4 here. And at the end of 3, it's 25-21.
That's on deck to serve for Team Power.
Nagkakasipaan yung mga libero. Guerrero teasing Lorenzo. Here comes a chance to attack. Sabi ni Calado, no way. Baka mission impossible nga talaga. Liberos.
Meron.
Meron.
May net fall.
Meron. Meron, yes. Masarap kakampi o asar na kakampi, no ha? Villados. Picked up downstairs. Gopeteo! Marmeto. Yes.
Gawa na first point for Pepito
Kung-
off the back row hit.
Kung ngayon lang kayo nagbuton at nagsabi kayo, Almendras has had some points, 4 points in the match so far, Kasanya. Louis Ramirez is thwarted, recycled, and the lead changes hands now as Passion now leads by 1. Elevated by Campton. Marmeto with a dig. And it's on the ground off the block. That's Kim Malabunga's forte.
They've collected a lot of...
Oh, oh, Malabunga. Wala nang premier points eh, no? Naku, tinulak at the last moment. Naging set. Oh, and Ronquillo delivers a killer blow that gives them a 2-point lead. Villados for the match. Guasa has other ideas.
Big mistake from Team Power to leave Nasguaza with an open block.
Can they do it right here? Right there! And we are done! And we are done indeed. Team Power emerging victorious in 4 sets.
Well played for the blue shirts. It's a joint celebration.